This is a full review of this budget RGB keyboard from Deepcool. Make sure to watch till the end for the typing test. I've been using this keyboard for the past 2 weeks and here's my honest opinion about it. Let's start with the unboxing, and it comes nicely packed with nothing but the essential in the box. It has a nice long braided cable and also comes with a keycap puller. It is completely RGB and you can customize every single key with the software. One thing that I didn't like is that there is no images on the keycaps or the multimedia controls, so you have to remember which one is which. For the price of $80, this keyboard really delivers something good for a budget price. Make sure to follow for more PC content.